everyone, welcome back. Does OKX Wallet work fine on mobile data but completely fails on Wi-Fi, spins endlessly or shows a connection error? Here's the iPhone fix. First, go to your settings app and then tap Wi-Fi. Next, find your connected network at the top with the blue check mark. Tap the little letter circle I right in the right side of your network's name. Tap forget this network and then confirm. Now, go back and tap the Wi-Fi toggle at the very top to turn it off. Wait 10 seconds and then turn it back on. Your network will reappear in the list. Go ahead and tap it and re-enter your passcode to reconnect to your network completely fresh. This clears the broken network session that OKX Wallet was stuck on. After reconnecting, go ahead and open the app again. If it still fails on network, go to your settings, then scroll down to general, then scroll again to VPN and device management. Check if any VPN is showing as connected. Even a VPN you've previously disabled can still show as active here and will block OKX Wallet connections. Disconnect anything listed. So all you've got to do is go to your settings, go to Wi-Fi, then forget and reconnect fresh. Check VPN and device management for anything active. OKX Wallet will connect on the Wi-Fi and that's it. Subscribe.